Life is full of unexpected moments, and when those moments bring minor wounds, be prepared with Band-Aid brand Flexible Fabric Adhesive Bandages. Introducing the 100 count pack, perfect for your first aid kit or home supplies. Let's dive into the features that make these bandages a must-have. Made with memory weave fabric, these bandages provide comfort and flexibility. They stretch, bend, and flex with your skin, allowing you to move with ease. The Quilt-Aid Comfort Pad is designed to cushion and protect painful wounds, helping to prevent re-injury. And the unique hurt-free pad won't stick to the wound, ensuring pain-free removal. From the doctor-recommended bandage brand, these adhesive bandages stay on for up to 24 hours. They help protect against dirt and germs, reducing the risk of infection. Studies show that wounds covered with a bandage heal faster than uncovered wounds. It's the care your wounds deserve. A great addition to your first aid kit, apply these flexible fabric bandages to clean, dry skin. Change daily or as needed for optimal wound care. Trust Band-Aid brand to cover and protect minor wounds, cuts, scrapes, and burns. Because life's little bumps and bruises shouldn't slow you down. Get your 100 count pack of Band-Aid brand Flexible Fabric Adhesive Bandages today. Your go-to solution for everyday wound care. Stay active, stay protected. Find the link to purchase these bandages in the video description below. Don't miss out on the care your wounds deserve. Stay protected and click that link now.